the battle of flagship smartphones, which device truly stands out? Is it the traditional powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or the innovative and versatile Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6? Today, we'll compare their size, display quality, water resistance, S Pen compatibility, performance, battery life, and camera capabilities to see which one excels in each category. Let's dive into the details and find out which of these top-tier devices might be the perfect fit for you. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, positioned as a top-tier flagship device, praised for its refined smartphone experience, high-quality OLED screen, and powerful camera system. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, noted for its innovative foldable design, large screen real estate, and unique user experience, offering a more versatile but unconventional smartphone experience. Size and weight. S24 Ultra, lighter at 232 grams. Z Fold 6, slightly heavier at 239 grams, but offers a foldable design that can transform between different modes. Display. S24 Ultra, a single 6.8-inch OLED screen with higher pixel density, providing a traditional high-quality display experience. Z Fold 6 offers two screens, a cover display, and a larger inner foldable display. The inner display is less pixel dense but provides more screen space, ideal for multitasking and media consumption. Water and dust resistance. S24 Ultra, IP68 rated, offering better dust and water resistance. Z Fold 6, IP48 rated with a lower dust resistance level due to its foldable design, but still offering decent water protection. S Pen compatibility. S24 Ultra, built-in S Pen for ultimate convenience. Z Fold 6, S Pen compatible but lacks the built-in convenience of the S24 Ultra. Performance. Both devices have similar internal hardware, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and Adreno 750 GPU. The performance is nearly identical, with differences mainly in user experience due to form factor. Battery life. S24 Ultra 5000 mAh battery, praised for its long-lasting performance. Z Fold 6, 4400 mAh battery, sufficient but not as confidence-inspiring as the S24 Ultras. Camera. S24 Ultra, superior camera system with higher megapixel counts, offering better overall photo and video quality. Z Fold 6, decent cameras but lacking a high-end camera features of the S24 Ultra. User experience. S24 Ultra offers a more refined and traditional smartphone experience with excellent battery life and camera performance. Z Fold 6 provides a unique, versatile experience with its foldable design, ideal for those who prioritize screen size and multitasking. The decision between the S24 Ultra and the Z Fold 6 comes down to user preference. S24 Ultra, best for those seeking the ultimate traditional flagship smartphone experience with top-tier performance, camera quality, and battery life. Z Fold 6, best for users who value innovation and a larger, versatile screen for multitasking and media consumption, despite some compromises in camera quality and battery life. The narrator invites viewers to share their thoughts on which device performed better in a comparison, particularly in terms of camera performance. The video ends with a call to action for viewers to comment their opinions and helps them figure out which device might be the best fit for their needs.